You ready?
Yep.
Stand by. It was like a 10-9.
It's like a,
Kept rolling.
like 10, like we'll say 10-5, 10-6. That's what I saw when I looked over at the last shot.
Yeah, whatever you want to tell yourself.
Okay, so about in the 10s for that one. Hard to pick up. Let's have Preston go next.
Good to go.
Stand by. Impact. Good. 11-2-3. Good shooting, boss. Really good shooting.
Appreciate it.
Spy Kids glasses, bro.
Bro! All right. Hey. He doesn't get the drip, all right? He doesn't get the drip.
Okay, shooting your on the course fire.
I hope so.
You're left-handed. You suck. Stand by. Impact. 11-2-3. Oh, he tied with you. Okay, we're over, and Sawyer and Preston have tied. Literally, I don't know how that happened, and I'm the winner, but I also shot a lot more. So, am I really the winner? Okay, let's go ahead.